my YouTube channel, Jonah. I'm Indonesian and living in Barcelona, Spain. Today I have 2 boxes of online shop from online shop, and today I want to unbox and show you what's my shopping. So for you, don't forget to subscribe, give me a like if you like it, and let's open this box. Let's see from where these boxes. First, it's from MAC Cosmetics. Oh, what's that? Later I will open for you. And the big one is from Douglas. Douglas is like online shop from Spain. Yeah. Okay. Let's open the small first. I have scissors here. Hey. Woo. There is something black here, and let's see what. Okay. MAC. The interaction is it's for the pollution. And here I have NC42. This is Studio Fix powder plus foundation. I love it so much, this powder. And here I have strobe cream. Yeah, this is for makeup. I think it's bonus. Okay, let's open this. Oh, by the way, I love MAC Cosmetics so much, and yeah, I use NC42. Okay, let's open other box. I think I bought 2 days ago, and yeah, it's so fast. Here the big one. How to open? Oh, what's that? What's that? Finally, it's open now. Wow, many things here. First, I have L'Oréal Paris Revitalife. This is Revitalife Laser from L'Oréal Paris. Let's see. Oh no. Revitalife Laser SPF 20. I need this for summer because here summer is so hot, and yeah, I don't want my skin break out. And the second, I have Vichy sunblock. Yeah, this brand is from Spain, local brand from Spain. Vichy Laboratories, 30 milliliters. Yeah, it's like I think it's compact, and you can bring to everywhere. You can put inside your bag or inside your pocket. So I love it so much. Look. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's perfect for summer, for stay in the beach, on the beach. Sorry, actually this is for face, not for hand. Oh my gosh, what happened with me today? It smells so good. So you can use this product before your moisturizer or before your makeup. Okay, next. Here I found lipstick from Wet n Wild. What color? Oh, it's so pretty. Look. I think they changed the packaging. Okay, I'm not sure. I must open this. This is Megalize matte lipstick, color Bear It All. Okay, next. I think this is sample product. I don't know this product. 1, 2, 3 product, and this is free product from this online shop, Bad Boy perfume. I think this is for guy, Bad Boy. I'm a girl. I will give to my husband. And the last, I have Morphe 35XO natural frill. Okay, let's open this because I'm so curious. Don't worry, in the next video I will make review about this eyeshadow. By the way, this product is original, it's not fake or no, it is totally original because wow, love it so much. I love makeup, guys. You see this? All of them are pretty. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.